Mars Colonization by Madi.
By Ari. Holla!
By Anna.
Skirt!
By Shelby.
Let's get ready to list some fun facts about Mars!
"687 Earth days make up 1 year on Mars. Mars has 2 moons, and there is a layer of gas surrounding it. It's made up of mostly carbon dioxide, and the soil is toxic. The chemical in the soil is perchlorate.
About 100 times less dense than Earth. No soil by definition, but crust volcanic rock, nothing organic. The seasons are twice as long as they are on Earth.
Mars is the second smallest planet in the universe. It is a terrestrial planet. A solar day on Mars is 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 35.244 seconds.
Temperature. The average temperature is negative 67 degrees Fahrenheit to negative 55 degrees Celsius, and it can get up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 20 degrees Celsius.
We can use Martian gardens, but they have a slower germination of 2 to 3 days. They are trying to replicate the soil on Mars to see if we can plant things in it.
They are planning on using ice domes for shelter. They are an inflatable structure that is surrounded by a shell of water to protect it. The dome will also fill with water before the astronauts arrive, having it as a storage tank.
Mars has a lot of frozen water already. There's enough to fill Lake Michigan twice already there.
Mars has oxygen and carbon dioxide, but they are at different levels and proportions than they are on Earth, making it impossible to handle the intake of the air. When we go to Mars, astronauts will have to live in a pressurized habitat and carry oxygen tanks when exploring Mars.
Toxic soil. Mars has a chemical named perchlorate in the soil, and it affects the growth of the plants. In the U.S., it also affects the water.
Terraform. Changing a planet to support life like Earth, they do this by the process of planetary engineering, by which the surface and climate of Mars would be deliberately changed to make it large areas of the environment hospitable to humans.
Nitrogen fixation. In order for the soil to be used for growth, it needs to be fixed or combined in the form of ammonium or nitrate ions.
Mars is a dry, frozen world today. The first step to make Mars like home is to warm it up. Its temperature is at 80 below. We need to get it to at least 25 below. They considered hydrogen bombs to melt some of the ice, but they are taking second thoughts because burning fossil fuels would be better for heating and trapping heat from the sun.